Now class, let's move to question number 8, which is circle the smallest and underline the greatest number. In this we have to put circle on the smallest number and we have to underline the greatest number. Okay, so this will be the symbol. We have to circle the smallest and underline the greatest. So let's check this series. So our largest place here is lakh. We can see this ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. We are given numbers up to lakh position. So first of all we will check our lakh position. Which one is smaller? So 7, 4, 9. Which one is smaller? I have 4 as the smallest number here, 4 lakh. 7 lakh will be greater than 4 and this is the greatest. So I will circle the smallest number and I will underline this as the greatest number. This is my greatest number, 9 lakh. So I will underline this. Okay. Now move to another question. Now here I have given the series up to lakh again, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, same. Okay, now we have to circle the smallest this time. So here in the lakh position I have 5, but I have to check my 10,000 position, the thousands position here. 51 is greater or 57 is greater or 67 is greater. Which one is greater? So 67 is the greatest number among all the other thousands place. So I will underline 67 because it is my greatest number and I have to underline the greatest number. And which one is smaller? 67, 57 or 51? 51 is the smallest. So I have circled it. Now move to another question. We can clearly see that here is no lakh position given in this question. In this, here is 5 lakh, here is 5 lakh, but what is here? Here is 51,000. So without checking I will circle this. This is my smallest number. And what will be the largest? 5 lakh 10,000, only 5 lakh 10,110. This will be my greatest. Okay, this is the smallest and this one is the greatest. Now question number 4, 6, 7, 3. 6 is here but 7 is here. So 7 lakh is greater than other twos. So I will underline this. Now I have to compare these two. Which one is smaller? So 73 is smaller or 35 is smaller? 35 is smaller. So I have circled it because I have to circle the smallest number given. Okay. Let's move to another question. Find the missing numbers to continue the pattern. We have to check here what is the pattern and we have to continue this pattern. So check from here. 5, 1, 3, 4, 2, 4. 5, 1, 3, 5 to 4. So from here I can analyze that here is 4, here is 5 and here is 6. Now what will be my next series? It will be same, but this will be replaced by 7 and in next term it will be replaced by 8 and in next term it will be replaced by 9. In the same manner you have to do other questions also and you have to do it yourself. Okay, you have to check the series, match them and continue the pattern. Now question number 10, rewrite in ascending order. You know very well how to write in ascending. There must be first of all the smallest digit, then greater than that and the greatest. Okay, so for example here I am given 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10,000. In ascending order we have to write down the smallest number first of all. So I think this is lakh, this is lakh, this is at 1000. So this is the smallest. So I have written down it here. Okay, now I have to compare these two digits, these two numbers given to me, 1 lakh or 2 lakh. 1 lakh is greater than this, but this is the greatest. So after 10,000 I have written down this one and in the last I have to write down this. Clear? Now rewrite in descending order. We have to do opposite of that. Here we have written ascending order from smaller to greatest, but here we have to write from greatest to smaller. So I have given 5,73,000, 2,84,000 something, and 5,39,000 something. So 5 lakh is greater than this 2 lakh. This must be smaller. This is the smallest, so automatically it will go to the last position. Okay, now I have to compare these two. After this is some larger and this is the largest. So my largest term here is 73 and here is 39. So 73 is greater na. So here 73, the digit which contains 5,73,000 will come first, and 5,39,000 will come, and in the end 2,84,000 will come. You already know how to write in descending and ascending order, so I am not going to tell you it or explain it. I just want you will do it again, and if you have any kind of problem then you can ask me. Now let's move to the last question, page number 12. Write the smallest number formed by digits using these without repeating any digit. Here we have to write the smallest but non-repeating. Number will not be repeat and we have to use these numbers. Okay, so we know that smallest one digit number is 1, not 0. We will not use 0 in front if we have given this. We have to write 1 first because 1 is the smallest digit number. After then we will use 0. Now 1, 0, which are left 3, 7, 9 and 4. So 3 is the smallest among all those. 3 greater than 3 is 4. 7 greater than 4. And which one is greatest? 9. So this is the smallest number formed from using the given digits. Okay. Now let's move to another question. Question number 2. We have to write the greatest 6-digit numeral using digits these. I have given these digits 409512 and I have to write down the greatest 6-digit numbers using these numbers. So should we write? So which one is the greatest? Here we have to go from descending to ascending order. This is ascending to descending and here we have to go like descending to ascending. So which one is greatest? 9 is the greatest. After that we will write 5. Smaller than 5 is 4. Smaller than 4 is 2. Then smaller than 2 is 1. And in the end we are going to write 0. This is how this question will be. Okay. This is my answer. My last question is question number 14. We have to make the smallest possible 7-digit number by repeating the digits 47190. See, I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have only 5 digits given, but I have to write possible 7-digit number here. So I have to repeat some digits. Here it is given that we can repeat the digits. So what will I do? I will not write 0 again. I already told you we will not write 0 as smallest number. We always write 1 as smallest number. Okay. After that I will repeat 0, 1. How much times? 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we see we have used 2 digits from here. Now how much digits left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. So after 1 we have the greatest digit 4. Greater than 4 we have 7 and in the end we have 9. Now it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my 7-digit number by repeating the digit. I have repeated 0. Okay. This is my smallest 7-digit number by repeating the digit. We always write 1 as the smallest number. Our 1-digit smallest number is 1. Okay. Now this has completed. I will share answer key with you. But first of all you have to complete all these questions with yourself. I will check. If you have any problem then you can call me or you can ask me anytime. I do not have any kind of problem but I want answers. Okay. So bye bye. Take care.